Hello, family. How are you all doing? Let me come back here. Don't go to the roadside, please. How are you all doing? It is amazing Monday. We're still celebrating Easter, though you're not gonna see this video until I think Wednesday or Saturday, whichever time you see it. I'm wishing you guys a happy Easter and a good evening from my side. Today I just wake up, guys, and I make this hair by myself, guys. Anyway, so we're going out. Come here. Going out for bowling today, and it is my first time. It's also my son's first time, and I checked on Google because I've been wanting to do this since December, but finally we find the place we are going now. It's a little bit after 6 here. They close I think 11 p.m. so I was like, oh, why not, let's do it. Anyway, let's not too much talk, guys. Come with us. We are taking you with us. Are you excited, baby? You're going bowling today? No, open your mouth. Come here. Come. Are you excited?
Yes.
You're going bowling today?
Yes.
Is this your first time, baby?
Yes.
What? Is that how you dance? Doesn't mean you're excited, baby? Uh-oh. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready for bowling?
Yeah.
You think you can do it?
Yeah.
Good boy. Beautiful sky. Woo, we are here. Here you go. Here you go. We are here, but it's very quiet on the it's very lonely place, and because we've not been here before, we don't know if it's actually the place. But according to the signboard, they said it's the place. But look around. I hope we're in the right place. Yeah. So guys, yeah, we're in the right place. Which Rosma just went inside, and then it's a regular bowling place. But why are they not advertising it? It's so like nothing is happening in the building. But look at this. You see that? Like, you see? And just look. That is the building right there. It's like normal place. Anyway, yeah, we are going inside now. So I saw one signboard. They're saying that shirts and shoe required. What does that mean? Oh, okay. So again, it's our first time. Oh God! Come with us inside, guys. Take off your belt. Take off your belt. Yep. I locked the door. Watch. Be careful. Go, boy. Oh yeah. Let me escort you. Go. Don't run. Don't. Yeah, look at Hair is beautiful. Shoe. They're giving us shoes. Right?
No idea. Come here.
So we have our shoes. That means you have to change your shoes. Alright? Okay. Take off the previous one. The one you're putting on. Oh no, baby. Sit down in the car. Oh God, sit down in the chair. Are you excited? You ready to go? You know how to do it? You know how to do it? Who taught you? You're looking at them there? You push it hard. Push it hard. Wait. Let me know. Don't go. Hey, whoa. Uh-oh. It's still rolling. Look, it's still going, baby. My son found this somehow. Babe, we did not pay for this, alright? Let's go. Okay, let's go and play the bowling first. Alright?
No.
That's why we're here. Come on. Come on, have fun with that. Oh yeah, let's go.
We're out there.
I'm going home. Alright, see you.
That went well, baby.
Heading home now. Yeah. Do you have fun? Yeah. He's hungry. He don't want to go now. Oh yeah, come. You know how to play it? There's some money in here. Do I need to put it inside? Tell me what? Look at my son. He's hungry, right? Look. You're not cute when you're angry, baby. Come here. Let's go to the car, alright? Tomorrow we'll come back. So he wanna play. I understand. He enjoyed himself. Now he don't want us to go home. He wants us to stay here. He don't understand that we are using money to play it. Maybe he think that we are playing it for fun or something. Yeah. Can put it in here. So maybe we'll come back next time. Even myself, I enjoy it. It's kind of good for exercise too, right? I'm sweating here. Oh! Alright. So now, you enjoy it, Demi? You have fun? Alright, don't worry, we'll go get french fries. You want some french fries? You want french fries, baby? Don't cry. You want french fries? Okay. So here we are, the McDonald's. Bye.